Today we have a recipe for mushroom chow mein using Cremini mushrooms. Cremini mushrooms have lots of flavor. Surprisingly, they also have some nice health benefits. So let's get started. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. So these are the Farkay noodles. These noodles are really good for soups and also for stir fry. So I've got some water going right now. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil into the water. I'll put a teaspoon of salt in there. So this helps the noodles from sticking together. So I'm going to put a couple handfuls in here. That should be enough for, like, say, 4 quarters. This brand of noodles only takes 5 minutes to cook, but be sure to check the instructions. So just rinse the noodles in cold water just to get rid of some of the starches and to stop the cooking of the noodles. Preheat a wok or a pan, then add 3 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put your noodles down and grill on each side for a few minutes until you get the right texture. I'm preheating the wok at medium to medium-high heat. I put 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use peanut oil here. I like to use chopped ginger and chopped garlic, so I'll put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic.
Noise. Dude, it's not even in.
You don't want
Yeah. No, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
I go on the outside, so just on the outside, yeah. But I'll put the camera. Maggie sauce. I might do a series on Maggie sauce.
Maggie's fucking delicious.
I love it.
That.
I just started.
It's so bad, but.
Yeah. I just started eating it, using it not too long ago. Right?
Nice.
Welcome to the flavor.
Oh, the flavor hood.
That's a commercial.
Like a neighborhood.
That's a commercial.
That's
very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Okay, that's good. Gonna be good for pour.
Okay, you're gonna pour the chow mein in there?
I'm gonna put on a plate.